If you're thinking about buying HelpDeskZ, there are 12 important things you should know before making a decision. It's a popular help desk software, but how does it really stack up against competitors? Let's dive in. The first thing to consider is the pricing model. HelpDeskZ offers a free version, which is appealing for smaller businesses or those just starting out. However, once you need advanced features, the paid version becomes necessary. When compared to other help desk platforms, such as Freshdesk or Zendesk, HelpDeskZ is often seen as more affordable, especially for small teams. Still, it's essential to evaluate if the limitations of the free version will hold you back. Next thing, let's talk about ease of use. HelpDeskZ has a clean and straightforward interface, but if you're used to the more polished UI of competitors like Zendesk, you might find it a little basic. However, its simplicity can be an advantage for smaller businesses without a dedicated IT team. If you need something that's plug and play without much customization, HelpDeskZ could work well. The third thing is customizability. HelpDeskZ allows for a good amount of customization, but it's not as flexible as some higher-end platforms. If you're looking for advanced features like automated workflows or complex ticket routing, other platforms might offer more robust options. But for most teams, the basic customization options are enough to get the job done. Next thing to consider is integration capabilities. HelpDeskZ supports integration with popular tools like Slack, MailChimp, and Google Apps. While that's great for basic workflows, it may fall short if you need to integrate with more specialized tools. Competitors like Freshdesk and Zoho Desk offer a wider array of integrations, which could be a deciding factor for larger teams with complex needs. The fifth thing to note is ticket management. HelpDeskZ provides all the essentials, like ticket status updates and assignment features. However, if you're comparing it to platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk, you'll find that HelpDeskZ doesn't offer quite as many advanced ticket management features, like priority-based workflows or customer satisfaction surveys. Still, it's solid for smaller teams with simple support needs. Next thing is support channels. HelpDeskZ supports multiple communication channels, including email and web forms. However, it doesn't offer chat or phone support out of the box. If these are important for your business, you may need to look elsewhere. Competitors like Zendesk and Freshdesk come with built-in live chat features, which could be a deal breaker for some. The seventh thing is knowledge base. HelpDeskZ includes a built-in knowledge base, which is helpful for reducing ticket volume by allowing customers to find answers on their own. However, its knowledge base isn't as feature-rich or intuitive as those found in more premium platforms. If self-service is crucial for you, you may want to consider other options. The eighth thing is scalability. While HelpDeskZ can handle moderate-sized teams, it may not scale well for larger organizations with complex needs. Its simplicity is great for small businesses, but larger teams might find themselves needing more advanced features as they grow. If you're planning for rapid expansion, competitors like Freshdesk or Zoho Desk might be a better choice. Next thing, let's talk about security. HelpDeskZ offers basic security measures like SSL encryption, which is essential for protecting customer data. However, compared to top-tier platforms like Zendesk, its security features are a bit basic. For businesses handling sensitive customer information, it's important to weigh whether this level of security meets your needs. The 10th thing is customer support. HelpDeskZ offers email support, but it doesn't have the 24/7 support available with other competitors. If you're running a global operation and need round-the-clock assistance, this could be a drawback. However, if you're a small business operating during standard hours, this may not be a huge issue. The 11th thing is multi-language support. HelpDeskZ does offer multi-language support, which is great for global teams. But it's not as comprehensive as the multi-language capabilities of Zendesk, which offers a much wider range of languages and better translation tools. If you have a truly international customer base, this could be a limitation. The 12th and final thing is updates and maintenance. HelpDeskZ is open source, so it benefits from community-driven updates. While that means you can often access new features quickly, it also means that it lacks the structured updates of some paid services like Zendesk or Freshdesk. You may need to take on more of the maintenance yourself or